Good morning children, I hope class 7 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing rational number and under rational number already we had seen addition of rational numbers and we had completed exercise 4C in last class. Today in this class we are going to see subtraction of rational numbers, some solved examples we will see and few questions from exercise 4D we will see. So, let us start. Here you have subtraction of rational numbers. For any two rational numbers a by b and c by d, we define a by b minus c by d is equal to a by b plus minus c by d. We say that the additive inverse of c by d is minus c by d. And a by b minus c by d is equal to a by b plus additive inverse of c by d. Also a by b minus c by d will be equal to a by b plus minus c by d is equal to a by b plus c by d. Here you need to understand additive inverse already you have done. So, suppose additive inverse of a will be equal to minus a, additive inverse of minus a will be a, additive inverse of suppose 5 will be minus 5, additive inverse of minus 5 will be what? 5, that already we have learnt. So, when it is said that any two rational numbers a by b and c by t are being subtracted, it means what? Simply what we need to understand, if suppose if any rational number you have a by b and you need to subtract c by d from a by b, what we need to do? We need to add the additive inverse of c by d. So, we can write a by b plus minus c by d. It means we have written a by b, we are adding a by b with additive inverse of c by d. But finally, what we are doing? We are subtracting c by d from a by b. These things you need to understand. So, few examples you see so that easily you will be able to understand. Suppose you have find the additive, first of all additive inverse already you have done, but then also you see additive inverse, find the additive inverse of 5 by 9. So, additive inverse of 5 by 9 will be minus 5 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 15 by 7 will be plus 15 by 7. And additive inverse of 8 by minus 13. First of all, this is required to be written in standard form. So, 8 by minus 13 will be equal to, it is required to be multiplied by minus 1. So, that you will get minus 8 by 13. So, this you have converted in standard form and then additive inverse of minus 8 by 13 will be plus 8 by 13. So, additive inverse of minus 8 by 13 will be 8 by 13, or directly you can say additive inverse of 8 by minus 13 is equal to 8 by 13. Then you see minus 12 by minus 13. So, minus 12 by minus 13 means what? If suppose you have minus 12 by minus 13, it means what? It means if you are writing in standard form, if you will multiply by minus 1, so that you will get 12 by 13. Now, you have 12 by 13. So, additive inverse of 12 by 13 will be minus 12 by 13. So, additive inverse of minus 12 by minus 13 will be minus 12 by 13. And then you see you need to subtract 3 by 4 from 2 by 3. 3 by 4 from 2 by 3. What is required to be done? Here you see from 2 by 3 you are subtracting 3 by 4. So, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 we will write, or this can be written as 2 by 3 plus this minus 3 by 4 is what? This is additive inverse of 3 by 4. So, we will write 2 by 3 plus additive inverse of 3 by 4, or finally, it will be 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4, or as we have done previously, already we have known how it to be subtracted or how it to be added. The number, if two fractions are there, two rational numbers are there, how it to be added already you have seen. Suppose you have 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 4. What is needed to be done? Here you see denominator. So, denominator you have 3 and 4. So, what is needed to be done? LCM you need to find out. You have in denominator 3 and 4. So, you need to find out LCM of 3 and 4. So, as you know 3 and 4 will not come in any multiplication table of any number. So, finally, your LCM will be 3 into 4. So, that it will be 12. Now, what we will do? We will convert this fraction or rational number as denominator 12. So, already you have seen how it is to be converted. Suppose 2 by 3 you have. So, what we will do? 2 by 3 we will write, and we need to multiply this 3 so that your denominator you will get 12. So, what number will be required to be multiplied so that we will get 12? We need 4. So, that you will get 3 4 ja 12. Now, here we have written 4. So, here also we need to write 4. Now, you see 2 4 ja 8 you have got. In the same way, here it is required to be done. So, here you have minus 3 by 4. So, just you write minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into what number will be required over here, so that we will get 12. So, we need to multiply 3 with 4. So, 4 3 ja 12. Now, 3 we have written ourselves over here. So, here also 3 will be required. So, 3 3 ja 9, but here you have minus. So, you will get minus 9, minus 9 by 12. As we have learned how rational numbers are added, if suppose equal denominators are there, simply what we do, denominator is required to be written, 12 we have written. Now, both the numerators are required to be added. So, here you have numerator 8 and minus 9. So, 8 plus minus 9. So, just you see what you have got, 8 and minus 9. So, what you will get? You will get, what we will do? If suppose two opposite sign is there, simply what is required to be done? The smaller number is required to be subtracted from the bigger number, irrespective of their sign. So, suppose you have 8 smaller number and 9 bigger number. So, we will subtract this, we will get 1 by 12. Now, we need to see which sign we will put over here, plus or minus, since 9 is greater number regardless of their sign. So, sign will be of negative. If suppose we would be having here minus and here plus, we would have written 1 by 12. But here 9 is bigger number. So, that is why sign will is carrying 9 is carrying minus sign, and that is why your answer will be minus 1 by 12. So, here just you see in the same way this has been done, 8 plus minus 1, 9 by 12 is equal to minus 1 by 12. So, in this way this is required to be done. In the same way, here you see minus 5 by 7 from minus 2 by 5 you need to subtract. So, minus 2 by 5 from minus 2 by 5 you need to subtract minus 5 by 7. So, how we will write? Minus 2 by 5 minus 5 by 7 we need to do. So, minus 2 by 5 plus additive inverse of minus 5 by 7. So, simply just you see minus 2 by 5 and plus additive inverse of minus 5 by 7 is 5 by 7. So, now you need to add this minus 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. So, how we will add this? Again we need to find out LCM out of this. So, we will get 5 7 ja 35. So, we need to convert this minus 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. We need to convert in equal rational number, and for that what we need, suppose just you see how we will do. You have minus 2 by 5 and this is required to be added with 5 by 7. Your LCM is 35. Now minus 2 by 5 we will write, and we will write an equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 5 having denominator 35. So what is required to be done? Which number will be required to be multiplied? 7. So 7 we will write over here also. So we will get minus 14 by 35. Now this number you see 5 by 7. Same thing is required to be done. Which number will be required to be multiplied? 5. 7 5 ja 35. So here it will be 25 by 35. Now two rational numbers you have got. This is required to be added. Here you see you have 35 in denominator, equal denominator you have, and numerators are required to be added. So you will get minus 14 and plus 25. Again, if two opposite signs number you have or opposite integers you have, what is needed to be done? Smaller number is required to be subtracted from bigger number. So just you subtract this. 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 1 1. Sign will be what? Plus. Why? Because 25 is bigger number, and with 25 plus sign we have, and that is why plus sign we will be having. Suppose if we would be having 14 and minus 25, then our answer would be minus 11. Why? Subtraction we will do and sign we will see of bigger number. So sign we here in this case we have a sign minus with 25, so we would be having minus 11, but here we have plus, that is why 11 by 35 we will get, and this will be your answer. So in this way this is required to be done. Then you see question number 3 example. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 5. If one of the numbers is minus 13 by 6, find the other. How we will find out? First you try to understand the question, so easily you will be able to solve. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 5. Suppose two rational numbers are there and they are being added and you are getting minus 5. Two rational numbers are there, you are adding both the numbers and you are getting sum minus 5. One number has been given, that is minus 13 by x, minus 13 by 6. Here you see minus 13 by 6, one number has been given. The other number you need to find out. The other number, just you suppose x. So what we will do, suppose very simple whole number or integers, just you put and then you try to understand. Suppose you are adding two numbers and you are getting 5. One number you have been given 2, the other number you need to find out. So what we would do? The first number we need to subtract by the sum. So sum will be always greater. So if two numbers are being added and sum you are getting, it means always the sum will be greater than these both numbers. So any one number will be subtracted from the sum, you will get the other number. So just you see how we will do. Here you see x will be what? Minus 5 minus, this number is required to be subtracted, minus 13 by 6. So this is required to be solved. Here you see that will be equal to minus 5 and this we will write, just you see how it has been done. Minus 5, this minus and minus became plus. Minus into minus, later you will understand, minus into minus will be plus, and this will be 13 by 6. Now here you see how we will add this. Here nothing is there, it means you have 1. If minus 5 is there and in denominator nothing is there, it means you have 1. So what we will do? We will make equal denominator, and for that we need to find out LCM out of this. So, LCM of 1 and 6 will be 6. Now, you convert this. If you are converting minus 5 by 1 as denominator 6, what we need to do? Minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 5 by 1 into 6. So, you will get minus 30 by 6. So, you need to add minus 30 by 6 and 13 by 6. So, you will be having minus 30 by 6 and plus 13 by 6. So, you will be having 6 denominators are equal. Simply numerators are required to be written over here, minus 30 plus 13. Now, again opposite signs are there. So, smaller number is required to be subtracted from bigger number. Just you subtract this. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and sign will be negative and divided by 6. So, just you see what you have got, minus 17 by 6. So, you need to understand the question first, so that easily you will be able to solve the question. Next example you have, what should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 4 by 9? Here you see, suppose if again try to understand what should be added to minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8 you have, which number is required to be added so that you will get the sum 4 by 9. Again the same thing is required to be done. If two numbers are being added and sum you are getting, it means if this number will be subtracted from this, you will get the other number. So, if you suppose this x, so x will be 4 by 9 minus 7 by 8, and you simplify, you will get the answer. Just you see, minus 7 by 8 plus x is equal to 4 by 9, x will be equal to 4 by 9 minus 7 by 8. This minus and minus became plus. Now, this is required to be converted into equivalent rational number, and then you simplify, you will get 95 by 72. Then you have what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get 5 by 6. Again, you need to understand what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, you need to subtract what number over here, so that you will get 5 by 6. You are subtracting from this number and you are getting this. It means what? This is the biggest number, and here you are, from here you are subtracting and then you are getting this number. So, x will be what? How we will find out? Just you see, suppose if any simple number you put and try to understand the question first. Suppose you have 5 minus what number we will put, so that we will get 2. So, what will be required to be done? This 2 will be required to be subtracted from 5, so that we will get 3, and that will be your answer. So, the same thing will be required to be done over here. We need to subtract 5 by 6 from minus 2 by 3 and we will get the answer. So, here you see, let the required number to be subtracted be x. Here you suppose this is x. And then minus 2 by 3 minus x is equal to 5 by x, and here you see that implies minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by x, or simply as I told you, in the same way that you assume and you do, minus 2 by 3 minus x is equal to 5 by x. It means what? X will be equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by x. As I had given example and I had made you understand how it will happen. Suppose you have 5 minus x is equal to 3. So, how you will get x? X you will get by subtracting 3 from 5. So, 5 minus 3, x will be equal to what? 5 minus 3. So, the same thing is required to be done over here also. X will be minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6, and this is required to be solved. This minus 2 by 3 you have. So, LCM you need to find out. LCM will be 6, and minus 2 by 3 can be written as minus 2 by 3 into 2. So, that you will get minus 4 by 6. Now, this minus 4 by 6 and minus 5 by 6 is required to be solved. So, here you see we will write minus 4 by 6. In place of minus 2 by 3, we have written minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. Now, equal denominator is there, 6 you write, minus 4 minus 5. Now, you see minus 4 and minus 5 will be minus 9. If same sign will be there, numbers are required to be added. So, minus 9 by 6, and if you are simplifying this, you will get 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. So, you will get minus 3 by 2, and this will be your answer. So, minus 3 by 2 will be required to be subtracted from minus 2 by 3, and you will get 5 by 6. So, I hope you understood those all, and you will be able to solve exercise 4D. So, few questions we will see, so that rest of the question you will be able to do. Find the additive inverse already you have seen. So, additive inverse of 5 will be minus 5, additive inverse of minus 9 will be 9, additive inverse of 3 by 14 will be minus 3 by 14, minus 11 by 15, additive inverse of this will be 11 by 15, additive inverse of 15 by minus 4, this is required to be converted in standard form. So, this will be minus 15 by 4. And minus 15 by 4 additive inverse of this will be 15 by 4. This will be minus 18 by 13. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Additive inverse of 1 by minus 6 will be minus 1, not minus, this will be in standard form. If you will write, this can be written as minus 1 by 6, and additive inverse of minus 1 by 6 will be 1 by 6. Then you have subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So, you will write 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Now, what is required to be done? LCM you need to find out. So, LCM will be 12. Now, here you convert this, 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 3 into 4. So, that you will get 4 by 12. 3 by 4 can be written as 3 by 4 into 3. So, that you will get 9 by 12. Now, you have equal denominators, and you need to, in place of 1 by 3 you need to write down 4 by 12. So, you have written 4 by 12 minus 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means 9 by 12, 9 by 12. Now, your denominators are equal. So, you will write 12 over here. Now, just numerator you write down 4, and sign you see minus you have. So, minus 9. Now, just you see smaller number is required to be subtracted from bigger number. So, you will get 5, and sign will be of bigger number. So, this will be minus. So, minus 5 by 12 you will get, and this will be your answer. So, in the same way, these rest of the questions are required to be solved. Here you see this one, question number 2. Rest all the questions in the same way this will be solved. I hope you will be able to do, try to do, and then you have evaluate 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5 minus 3 minus 1 by 4 by 7, 7 by 24 minus 19 by 36. These all the questions will be made as in example I have solved. In the same way this is required to be done. I hope you will be able to do. Just you try to do up to question number 3. In next class we will see question number 4 and rest of the questions. Until then, thank you.